Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 12. In a desperate bid, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan warned that there will be a rise in extremism after the curfew is lifted in Kashmir, adding that 1.25 billion Muslims across the world are watching the developments in Kashmir. Khan has earlier talked about possible nuclear threat and the shadow of war, but this is the first time that he escalated the matter to global retaliation by Muslims. Home Minister Amit Shah announced that the BJP would be celebrating the Prime Minister's birthday as Seva Saptah. Towards this end, Amit Shah and BJP chief JP Nadda, along with senior BJP leaders Vijay Goyal and Virendra Gupta, reached AIIMS today and swept the floors, interacted with cleaning staff and reached out to admitted patients at the hospital. Prime Minister Modi's birthday is on 17th of September. Construction is underway in full swing in Assam's Golpara, where the country's first detention center for illegal migrants is being set up. The premises will have 15 four-story buildings, 13 for men and 2 for women. The center will have separate toilets, a hospital, kitchen, dining areas, recreational center and a school. The I&B Ministry has sent a notice to Viacom 18 stating that a serial being aired on Colours TV was hurting the religious sentiments of a particular community. The notice said that the show Ram Siya Ke Love Kush was harming the image of Maharishi Valmiki and showing distorted history, due to which a particular community has threatened countrywide demonstrations. Uttar Pradesh ministers will start paying their own tax, ending a 40-year-old practice ensuring that the state exchequer would shell out the amount for them. The UP government decided on Friday that this provision enacted by law will be scrapped after media reports highlighted this perk. Several ministers said they were not even aware of this benefit they were receiving. Sonia Gandhi discussed the implementation of manifestos in Congress-ruled states and ways to ensure effective coordination between the organization and government was also discussed. It was decided to set up coordination committees to ensure this in Congress-ruled states. The state governments have also been told to depute ministers on a roster basis to interact with people and solve their grievances. Yudh Abhyas 2019, a joint military training exercise between India and USA, is being conducted in Washington. The training is organized at Joint Base Lewis McChord as part of the ongoing Indo-US Defense Cooperation. It is being conducted from September the 5th to 18th. This is the 15th edition of the joint exercise, which is hosted alternately between the two countries. Police in New Delhi are probing a case of alleged tax evasion involving AB InBev, the world's largest brewer. Local authorities barred AB InBev, the world's largest brewer, in July from selling its beer in the high-profile New Delhi markets for evading taxes. The company has denied the allegations and appealed the order. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.